Meet the eufy S1 Pro, the smart robot vacuum and mop that does it all. With HydroJet scrubbing, it cleans floors as if done by hand. The 10-in-1 UniClean station empties dust, washes and dries the mop, refills water, and even adds detergent. Its unique corner-to-corner design reaches edges most robots miss. And with powerful suction, it lifts dust, debris, and pet hair in one pass. No more daily chores. Just set it once and enjoy a spotless home every day. The eufy S1 Pro. Cleaning has never been this smart.